So the thing is, come on, T. She gotta get her walk on. Don't mind her. So the thing is, I'm gonna start right here, and I gotta clean the tire first, well, the rim first, and then we'll check for like little scratches and stuff like that. Gotta make sure that. Hey! Okay, so now we're back at the crib. Beauty card. What I got from Metro is the LG Stylo 6. This thing is cool. It's cool. It's a lot bigger than my old phone. I really needed that thing. From Home Depot, I got plastic covering for the paint. This is for the garage because it's gonna be hot. And then I got the extension cord. So I think we're good on all aspects of that. Boxes on the ground and do it. Look how the lights turned out. They're a little dusty right now, but they actually turned out pretty good, man. And then in the sun cured them, so now it just looks oh so good. Alright. Let's go ahead and get this started. Okay, so the thing is, come on, T. She gotta get her walk on. Don't mind. The thing is, I'm gonna start right here. I gotta clean the tire first, well, the rim first, and then check for like little scratches and stuff like that. Gotta make sure that that's not super strong, because when the plastic dip get on there, it's gonna be pretty good on there. That's the area I'm gonna be worried about because it's a little messed up. I didn't get no sandpaper. I didn't think I needed to sand it. I didn't think the rim was gonna be that bad, but it is what it is. I got my isotopic alcohol so I can clean it, and then all this stuff, glossifier, hella cans of plastic dip. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started cleaning it. Alright. Okay, so with the wheel clean, now I think I should just put some plastic around here, just in case. It's like on the outside, just in case. And go from there. I think we're ready. Let me set up the prep though. Yeah, okay, so plastic. So what I'm gonna do is probably do like hit it like 4 times. First it's like 10%, and then you go ham after that. First spray, make sure it's locked on there good. Some coverage. Hey, this thing right here. I don't know, T, is it working on you? Is that better? Did I turn it right? Okay. So, alright, let me set up, put on my little mask, and start spraying. I see the wind blowing just a little bit, so hopefully it doesn't affect it. We'll see. Okay. Don't look at my tape job. I got it all. It's ready. It's ready for some spray. I don't know. I ain't put plastic there yet, man. I'm still debating. But yeah. And then I put this little tape around the edges. I mean, sometimes you can see it, but it's mostly so the plastic don't really touch my tires. next wheel. Alright. We making some good timing, I guess. We'll see. It's not really being timed. We'll see. Okay. All right, so I got it to like 10% done. 10%. I should be done in another hour. I just gotta respray all this stuff. I gotta let that dry, that first 10 dry, and then go back in there and shoot some more. Yeah, painting takes forever. Once we get everything done and settled, it'll look good. And then I'm gonna hit it with the tire letters. See, this is the first wheel. This is just about done and dried. It look good. That's just one can. I used a full can on that, and then I probably use a full can on the rest of them. So no big deal. No big deal. We making progress. Almost finished. Cause even after we get it to this black, I gotta use the glossifier on there so it can be extra glossy. So when I hit it with the the wheel liner, the wheel tape around it, it's gonna, we'll see. I don't know. I'm trying. I'm hot. Yep. Alright. Okay. This right here is Plasti Dip Glossifier. Let me see if I can. Oh, yeah. It's the glossifier. So, you know, make the rims extra glossy. That's the whole point. And it's got UV protection on there, so it lasts a lot longer. Alright, time for the second half, baby. It's time for the work. Oh, I gotta show you the rims, of course. You know what I mean? Got the glossifier on there, so it's really shiny. Okay. I mean, I like it with the black, but that's too boring. I gotta do something. So let's throw this in. It's got the red thing on. All right. So this is the paint pen by Yayung. It's from Japan. I never used it before, but they say it's perfect for tire riding because apparently you can't just get any marker for it. What we're gonna do is all of this and then the next, and that's it. Okay. Right.
Maybe we should.
I don't understand. Oh, okay.
Should I start recording?
No, oh, you supposed to.
You keep saying, oh, yeah.
Okay. Hey, cut it out. trying to do the tire lettering, but it's so the type of tire lettering that I had got, it just ain't working right. So I gotta get some more of that. So I mean, I'll just show you that. As always, it's your boy, it's Mr. 20 West. I know the project ain't done, and you probably asking yourself, bruh, you showing me something that ain't done yet? Yeah, I know, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for spending the day with the kid. Holla at the boy.